Good evening friends. In this video I am going to show today's call performance. Today the date is 23rd of September 2016 and I am recording this call at night 11 o'clock. And let us check how was today's calls generated, and just check it out how the market has response to our calls. And this is our website. It is research state profit, and this is the live market going on. You can see these prices are moving up today, and let's start with our research calls. First we'll start with this is our levels. First thing we'll start with gold. Today the contract is gold October 5th expiry, and let's check it out gold what is happened. This is the gold chart for today. Morning it was opened at yesterday closing was 31,332, and today morning it was opened at 31,242. That means almost 90 points downside it has opened. And as I mentioned here, you should not enter this market when the gap up or gap down levels are generated, and you can wait for the entry levels. As you see here, morning it was opened around 341 somewhere here. This is the levels. It was opened and gap down. You can see this gap down, and once the levels crosses above these levels, this was at 31,271 above, it was a buy call. You can see this chart, this candle high you can check 268. As I mentioned, you have to buy again once the closing price is above 270. 271. This candle you can see this candle closing is 31,274. Here the buy call was generated in this candle, you can see, and our stop loss was at 31,209. Stop loss will come somewhere near 209, 31,209. Here the buy call was generated, and stop loss was 209, these levels. As you see, the stop loss is not been triggered, and it has went up slowly it has went up. And today's day high you can see here, this was the day high 31,350, and our target was 31,352. just we missed with 2 points below the target, and from there again it has come down. You can see these levels, it has come down. So this is how our calls are generated, and you can see gold is almost our target is been done in a buy call. This was the call in gold. Let us check with some more quantity crude oil. Let us check with crude oil. This is the crude oil call. We'll open a crude oil chart here. Its chart is opening. This is the crude oil chart for intraday, and I will show you how our calls were done in crude oil. Crude oil yesterday's closing was 3101, and today's open was 3090. This level it has opened, and opening only it came down. You can see this level, it has came down by, it has done a movement, so we have to wait for next movement. So 3088 above it was a buy call. You can see somewhere 3088. 3088. This here the buy call was generated in this candle. As you see here, 3088 buy was generated 3088 above. So this was the call generated here at the time of 315. This is the 315 candle buy call generated, and target was 3105. You can clearly see this 3105 was our first target, and 3110, it was a small target. Yeah, here you can see this almost all the targets has done, and this was also a call was successful. You can cross check again. Here the buy call was generated when it has broken this level, then here buy call was generated, and stop loss we are given at 3074. You can see this candle low 3079. You can clearly see this stop loss is not triggered, and 3074 was our stop loss. This was the levels of stop loss, and once the buy was generated, easily the target was done. The time of, you can see the time at 3:45. Within half an hour the target was done after buy call generated, and from there again sell was generated at 3114. So you can see this day high today 3114. This was the high today, and our sell call was exactly on the same levels 3144. Here was our sell call in this level day high, and from there stop loss was 3128. As you are seeing, today's day high is just 3114. So stop loss is not triggered, and target was 3097 and 3092. 3097 and 3092. Here our sell call was generated, and 30 it came till you can see these levels 309792, everything has come, and you can see this drastically it has come down. And as we have said, we have two types of levels, not only this table. With this along with this we have one more option here. You can refer this chart also. As you become our paid members, we will be teaching completely how you can use this both levels, how you can tally both the levels and enter the trade. As you are seeing here, it was a sell call generated 3078. You can see this 3078. First call was call was generated at this level 3078. Yeah, these levels. Here one more call was generated at sell 3078. This was a sell call generated here, but we are not referred these levels. First we referred these levels, and we have take a position. As you are seeing here, 3124 was the higher levels to buy. So we can consider this level as a very strong resistance. As you have seen, from 3 days market was very bullish, and this was a day where market may give correction. As our expectation, it has given a correction. As you are seeing, it was a exactly sell call in crude oil, and you can refer these levels. We will be teaching exactly how you can analyze, and it will be keep on practicing. If these levels, you will be so perfect that you can also analyze so the market how it will take a movement. As you seeing here, the sell call was generated at 3078. 3078 was the sell call generated, and the stop loss was given at 3124. It has not, as you seeing the stop higher levels, it has not broken, and this target was 3040. So you can see the day low 2967. This was the first level sell call was generated. 3040 was our first target. It has given the target, and one more target was given at 3003. Yeah, this was the second call generated. You can see here. Yeah, so both the targets are done today, and you can just assume how much we would have done profit. It's a 6 stop loss, and it was a very small stop loss for crude oil, and both side we have achieved some big movement. We have cashed in crude oil 3078 and 3114. 3004 was our first selling levels, and you can see, as you see, 3003 we have cashed almost 111 points in crude oil. That was really amazing, what I can say. But still I'm not giving any guarantee and warranty for these calls, and but I'm sure that you will be getting more confidence on trading, and definitely it will be helpful for you to get, fulfill your financial dreams. And this service we are giving for monthly, you can access our data. This is our website. You can access all the data. These are the levels given for only for our paid clients. We are not giving these levels for free, and it's very minimal price. Just 1000 rupees you can get all this such type of calls by paying NEFT to my bank account. You can check in my, you will be receiving the messages of bank details. So just by paying 1000 rupees you can get this type of levels, and I'm sure I am so confident that other calls also we can check. If you want, I can do cross check. Let us check with this is the levels, but anyhow, because of this time it is already night 11:15, so I just want to close this session. Anyhow, you have seen these levels, both side the targets were done, and I'm just want to show you one more thing in gold. As gold today it has taken both sides same movement. This was the once the buy call was generated at this level, as I have shown you earlier. In gold morning it was buy call was generated 270 and the target was 350. This has been achieved, and you can see these levels. Second target was at 31,372, where you can refer these levels as well. 31,385 was the stop loss for sell call. You can sometimes see in this chart you will be confused. In here the same levels I have given buy call, and in same levels it has generated sell call as well, and market is still bullish, so you can't go for short at this level. As I have shown you in earlier videos also, you should not go short when the both trend is bullish. So you have to wait at least for first near, at least you should not short at these levels. Once it goes up somewhere you can short with this stop loss. You can, if you are confident, once the sell call is generated at this level, what I prefer is not to short at this level, because the risk is very high. As you are seen here, here it is showing buy call and here it is showing sell call at the same level, just 2 rupees difference. It is showing buy and sell call. So I advise my clients not to take position at these levels. Better, if you are not taking, if you are not willing to buy the position, at least try to short the position at target 1, at least 20 points downside the target, so that somewhere you can manage your stop loss, and your risk will be reduced. As in this video I can, you can see this levels. If you would have shorted at somewhere around the 340 350 levels, that was the high today. You can see this 350 was a day high. From there our target was in this sell call, the target was 192. You can see this video. Here the sell call was generated, and here the sell call was generated, and it came till, just a moment, this is I am seeing in a daily chart. I will change it to a 5-minute chart. Okay, here you can see this video. Here this was the low. Here we had a sell call somewhere 340. Yeah, this was the high. 340 levels. If you had shorted, you would have get out of the trade from 250. This was the low, 244. You can see this 244, till 244 it came, and okay, 344, not bad. Okay, 100 points you would have cashed in gold, but you have to be very careful while entering the position. As you can see this, this is a confusion stage where both the calls are generated. One level sell is generated, one level, one side buy is generated, but I advise not to go short at this level. Better you can wait, as here it is showing a buy call at the same levels. At least somewhere near first target you can go for short with this stop loss. This level stop loss you can go for short, and you can see this chart. Here the sell call, like sell was generated here somewhere 393. So this call was not active for the day, and you can see this 273. Here it was a good call, what I can give you assurance. This was a really good call, and both the side we have you have achieved. I mean, you have got a target. So this is how targets will work, and hope you have got some idea on our research formulas, and I hope I am so excited to teach you more about these charts, and this is a very useful levels. You can subscribe with us through this website, research@profit.wixsite.com/calls. This is our homepage, and from there you can access our all the data by just paying 1000 rupees per month. For more details, you can call me at this number. My number is 0855 302 2298884. This is my number. You can call me at any time. I will be available, and hope to have a successful trading. Good night.